We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 376, part 1. DRYTRON. Yeah, I'm using DRYTRON again. Versus Dragon Link. I haven't dueled with DRYTRON for like a week. And I was kinda... I'm surprised I did full combo here. Whoa. So we go Delta, Zeta. I was kinda confused, like what do I do again? Like I haven't played this deck in a week. Normal summon diviner. Activate, dump. Arclight effect. I think that was Ben 10. Yeah, I think that was Ben 10. Zeta Ben 10. Zeta's gonna add the ritual. Ben 10. Ultimateness. Okay. I don't know how many summons that was. If he had Nibiru, maybe. 1, 2. No, this was my 5th summon here. Plus I had a fairy for a negate. Okay. Activate, detach, ritual. Medium Stratron. Minus 1000 attack, add back from hand. Activate. Detach from Fafnir. Ben 10. Overlay those two for Beatrice. Dump Eva, banish those two. To add those two. Gamma, tribute Fafnir. Special and special from grave. Make Verte, copy, Red Eyes Fusion, Dragoon, and my turn. I should have just activated a Verte to try to make this guy dark, negate it with Dragoon, and then I would have still had way more negates. And he just scooped right there. Let's duel wins. That's the only match I won. I lost this whole duel here. Right here. I had no idea what he was playing. I sided in 2 Lancia, 2 Droplet, 2 Ghost Bell. Took out the 3 Droll, 3... What is that? Imperm. There we go. This is when I found out he's playing Dragon Link. And I should have Lancia'd way before. Like I should have just shotgun right now. But I didn't know. Chamber, add Tidying, Link for Striker, Nocto. Noctivision chain blocks pretty good. Romulus. See, that was also a chain block with Nocto and Striker. This is also a chain block right here with Nocto. You got double chain block with Nocto Vision. Ravine. Sending the Tiding. Absorrouter. Rocket Tracer. See, right there. That's when I was like, damn, I should have Lancia'd. So, I didn't know he had Levineer in his hand. Banish 3. Shuffle 1 random card, which it was Cyber Emergency. Oh. Seal. Boot. Special Rocket Tracer. Tiding. See, and I was like, man, why should I was trying to keep Lancia. Chamber. Savage, equip, Romulus. He sets and he ends. Zeta, tribute, Draconids, special, activate effect, add Meteor DRYTRON. Foolish for Gamma. Gamma tribute Zeta, and then he cycle reader. Wow. Seti seal, return, special. Then I finally decided to Lancia, but I was too late. Boot, special, tracer pop boot, auto synchron, sync for chaos ruler, add darkness metal, sync for hot red, he attack for hot red, activates effect. He didn't know that he was able to do that with hot red. He was surprised. Attacked with Savage. I told him to go to main phase 2 to do Darkness Metal, but he did not. He ended his turn. Red Eyes Fusion, a hot red negate. And it just killed. Wow. Dr.meme wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 3. Here we go. What did I do there? I did 3 drolls and 3 droplets. And it did not open. Diviner. Arclight Benton. Alpha Benton. I got confused here. I thought it was gonna get Benton's effect. Alpha get Ida 10. Benton get Orange Light. Birthday Dragoon. Set Droplet. That's it. Quick launch. Even though I would have negated, I've kind of felt like I wanted to negate that, but he just dropped the droplet, chain linked it, sent the quick launch, negate, and cut its attack. Special summoned Tracer too with the quick launch. And for Striker, Nocto. Another chain block right there. I was saving the orange light. Romulus, Nocto's double chain blocking abilities. Damn you, Nocto. Sector. Tracer Pop. Charger. He's going for Savage. He's gonna activate Savage, but then I hit him with the orange light. Sending Eva. And then he chain link 3 to Cycle Reader, god dang it. Those two. Did not get Eva's effect. I should have just droplet right here. And then if he would have went to Dragoon, I would have had Orange and Diviner, but I did not, which enabled him to combo further. Banish white for black, those two for triple burst, Bisty. Special Tracer from Grave. Those two for Quad Boral. Discarded Droplet for the pop. 1, 2. Name was for access code here. He activated access code to gain 3,000 from triple burst and a droplet him. Sending Eva. His attack was still higher than Dragoon's. Eva's effect was able to activate, adding me those two. And for a Chaos Ruler, activate, and I hit him with the orange. Dragon Ravine. Oh, activate, discard Nibiru. Oh. For Levy. Safer, banish, add Levy back to hand. Chaos Ruler, banish, light and dark. Special summon. What is it? Both light and dark, right? Yeah. No, what? How come we didn't activate Levy's effect? I don't know what happened. Attack and finish. Oh, can I get a win? God damn it! He does have a deck. He does have a deck. Look, check it out, guys. Let's go to decks. Mr. Meme, Dr.meme, 7376. Okay. I'm gonna go back to bronze right away. This is bullshit. What? 1480 last time. 1471. Let's check out his deck. $376. Here it is. Let's check it out here. So it's a 40 card. Two Absa Router. One Chamber. Two Rocket Synchrons. Rivalry of Warlords. You had access code and Boral Sword. Wow. Oh, this is the no Dragoon. Oh, yeah, it would have been 43. And it would have been, yeah, you would have to make some cuts there. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. 189, still at 189? Oh, thank God you don't lose points. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, so reflected. See you guys.